Before watching the video, please read the disclaimer here and be sure to check the description for how you can support the original release. And with that said, enjoy the video. This is Controlled Chaos speaking. Another What Fee has come and gone. So now it's time we just wind down with some off-the-wall randomness. And I believe that this is probably one of the few random things that Mario has yet to do. Welcome to my reaction to SMG4's latest video, Mario Screws in a Lightbulb. So I've seen Mario goes to the store, I've seen Mario gets a glass of milk, I've seen, I think it was the Mario documentary, and I've seen Mario get stuck in a door. So I don't think this will be much different. He'll be doing something arbitrary, and things will go haywire because of it. So let's find out how.
And with that, we're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
That's always fun. Hey, sitcom music. Wow. How'd you clip, Mario? Heh. Oops.
Mario!
Okay.
Hello! No, I'll fix it.
Mario said he'd do it. You need a ladder. What are you gonna do?
I did it! Well, thank God I have a spare. God damn it, I can't believe...
Kinda saw that coming.
What the SMG4 doing?
Ooh.
No.
Just hold this totem, we can all go home. Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Mamma mia!
Shouldn't have said useless.
So long,
Nope.
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Hello.
So this is how I die.
Oh.
Okay, let's see you do it then. And boredom sets in, as it often does with Mario.
Don't mean, don't mean, don't mean.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's what it is. Thick?
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Okay, you can do this.
Okie dokie.
Yes, you can.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now?
Yeah, like Luigi taught you. If you paid attention. And some... Oh, hey, look at that! You did it! Cool. Now he can... Yeah, easy does it.
Oi, Mario, hold it still!
Uh-oh.
You little
Oh, no. You did it, Toad. Oh, not good. What's about to happen? Oh, no. Shoot. And there goes the ladder. And there goes the SMG4. So now what?
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Uh-oh.
You got the Mario thinking now?
Oh, hey! Oh, no. Ooh? Does that even work? No.
I'm in danger.
You certainly are.
Shoot it down.
Oh, hey.
But
No, it's Toad. Poor Toad. Okay. That might work. Toad, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone, Toad. They've got stuff to do. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're doing it. Okay. They just need to change a light bulb. Better him than me.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you?
So now what?
It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh, mamma mia.
Can't you? Wait, what?
Come here, come here.
Oh, hey, fizz gun.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Just fix the light bulb.
Screw the damn light bulb in.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Get it in there! What? What? Why? How?
What? What do you mean it's not working? Just force it in.
Okie dokie.
Okay then.
I did it!
Let there be light.
Nope.
Oh, poop.
Oh.
Wow, I hate that.
Who knew? Yeah.
Can't touch me. Can't touch me.
Yep. Nope. Oh dear. Ow.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Ooh. That's sidebar.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Oh hey. That Luigi?
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm a superstar. Yo-ho.
Not really, but sure.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi. Come tutto so reparo.
Some tells me that's not such a good idea. Really?
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
No. New Super Luigi Mansion full.
Well, great.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Yep.
I bet.
Okay then. Ooh.
Get that mother.
So, do you even know what you're doing, Mario? Looks like it. Hee Poor Toad.
Oh, yeah. Well, now you're gonna get it,
Oh no. Run! Oh hey.
Enlargement pills?
Wait, what? By the way, what was he doing there? That can't be good.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh no.
What do I do?
What's that?
Oh, okay.
Wait. Seriously?
Defeated now, bitch!
What are you doing? Oh dear. I guess this is comeuppance for stealing his girlfriend. That's terrifying. Oh no. Yikes. Whoa. Huh? Still has the light bulb, I hope. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Is that it? Really? Why isn't it working? Yeah.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid piece of
Hey. Well, we're boned.
Stand back. I'm warning ya.
Error. Cannot suit.
Oh no. So this is how y'all die. Well, y'all had a good run. Huh? Wait a second. Seriously?
I told you already! Toad won't work!
Can I get off?
What the hey? That worked? Ah. Okay then. Ha!
I did it!
Poor Toad.
I saved the world! Well, that was a load of shit.
Indeed. Well, kind of gone off the script halfway through, but yeah, that was kind of half what I expected. Mario attempts something, messes up along the way, but this time we have a few guests. Also, a nice edit work from the producer group there. Kudos. And it has been a while since we've seen a good amount of Toad. Poor Toad. If it wasn't a candy addiction, it was being used as a prop, as a kickball, all kinds of stuff. I enjoyed it though. He was a more prominent role in this one, and that was actually fun. He's getting better and better, I might say. Can't wait to see what happens next. On that note, if you enjoyed this reaction, be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure the bell's ringing. That will keep you up to date on my uploads. Also be sure to check out my Twitter page. I'll be putting polls and events there. And with all that said, this is Controlled Chaos, signing out.